Welcome back to another video, and before we get started, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. But today we're going to be talking about permissions, and the way you pull up permissions is doing the ls-l command. And I have two files in this directory, and the first one is xx.txt and the second one is youtube.txt. And so when you read permissions, there's three different groups. The first group is the first three, which is the user, the second three, which is group, and then the last three, which is other. There's read, write, and execute on the cheat sheet over here I made for you guys. You guys can pause the video, copy it if you want. But R stands for read, W stands for write, and X stands for execute. So for this second file, youtube.txt, I have the permissions to, for everyone except the owner, there's read, write, and execute. The owner just doesn't have read, as you can see here in the first one. So to change a command, it's actually pretty simple. You do, there's two different ways. The first way is chmod, and then we can choose any group we want. So we'll do user, and then we'll add them executable permissions, and then we'll put the file name. So we'll do xx.txt, and then if you hit enter and then you re-show it, you can see now that the permissions have changed. And so you can do this for anything. So we could do chmod, give an executable command, so we can give the other executable commands, and we can do that to the xx.txt. And now, as you can see, they have executables, so you can do this with all the different varieties. But the only problem with this is that it gets really time consuming. You have to do multiple different permissions on multiple different files. So the easiest way to do that is you can do a command, as you can see in the cheat sheet right here, that's chmod number file, and that's the filtering for it. But the way it's really done is you would do chmod, and then if I wanted to give, let's say, the xx file permissions for read, write, and execute for everyone, I could do 777 and then the file. And the way this is read is the first number right here is for the user, the second number is for the group, and the last number is for other. And each number over here corresponds with a different command, or a different permission, I mean. So 0 is no permissions, and that also is correlated to a dash right here. And 1 is execute, 2 is write, 3 is execute and write, 4 is read, 5 is read and execute, 6 is read and write, and 7 is all permissions. So as you can see, we are given all the groups complete permission. So if we show the files now, as you can see, everybody has read, write, and execute. So we can do the same thing, and we can do 0, 0, 0, and now nobody should have any permissions, and as you can see, it changed right there. So you can do this for everything. I'll do one more, and we can give the user execute, we can give the group write, and we can give the other read. So we do that, xx.txt, and now the permissions are changed. And so as you can see, the permissions change. Like the video, subscribe, thanks for watching, and see you next time.